Welcome back to my Quiz Lab channel. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel for more exciting quizzes.
Choose your K-pop group. Choose your car. Choose your nails. Choose your boyfriend. Choose your favorite subject. What do you do on the weekend? What's your love language? How organized is your closet? Choose your wallpaper. Choose your food. Choose your outfit. Choose your superpower. Choose your pet. Choose your drink. Choose your house. Choose your job. Choose your vacation spot. What do you do the night before your test? Choose your weapon. Choose your backup. Choose your jewelry. Choose your desert. What do you do in your free time? Choose your musical instrument.